Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is literally, why am I holding eyebrow products? I already did my brows. Get out of here, bitch. Valentine's Day is literally 2 days away, so I wanted to do a cute little look here. And for once, my boobs are not popping out, so yay for me. Let's get this hair on my face. Okay, so I just wanted to do a Valentine's Day video. I know I already did one. It was super like basic and like not editorial. So today what came in the mail were these like cute little charms. I got these cute little charms here. You can't even see them, but there's a bunch of assortments, mostly just like pink, blue, and purple like bows. Ugh. If you can see there, I'll probably just zoom you guys in just a second, but that's the look we're gonna do today. I did like just some crease work, cut crease, and then patting a pinky white lid shade, a matte shade. Who does mattes anymore? Me. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. I'm just gonna do this eye. I did this eye off camera because I really did not know what I was gonna do, so let's walk you guys through this shit. All right, guys, so you're up close and personal. Why the fuck did I pause? So this eye is complete, as you can see. Focus. Whatever. You see bows and you see pearls. They're pink bows and pink pearls. You'll see clearer picture in the thumbnail. That's probably why you clicked on this video. But whatever. And what lace? Bitch, that lace. Don't even look at my lace front, bitch. A bum ass lace front, as Nicki Minaj would say. Bitch, I am a bum ass lace front. So what the fuck? First things first, I'm taking the old ass Too Faced Sweet Peach whatever palette, the one that everyone and their mama went crazy over, and I'm gonna take Georgia. It's just this matte like light pink here. On a blending brush, I'm gonna put that in my upper crease area. And I'm just focusing on the upper crease because of the simple fact that we are doing a cut crease. What the fuck am I saying? Okay. Get it together, Alaya motherfucking Benzaya. Okay, so I've just been building that up in the crease off camera, I think, if this video even goes up, because I'm trying a new thing, because I record on my phone because I'm too fucking poor to afford a fucking actual good camera and an actual laptop to edit my videos. But yeah, just building that up in my crease off camera. Hopefully, I'm trying this new thing. Why the fuck am I repeating myself? Oosa. Where I cut the video off, I'm recording on my phone, so I was recording, I stop it, and then like go back to the next section, just so you're not sitting there in my videos for like 12 hours, you know what I mean? I promise this lash is on, it's just my eyelashes are blank from that matte shadow. Okay, so next I'm pretty sure I took the Naked Plush thing and I took the blush in it. This is in Native. I put that like even more into my crease, just making it more pinky and pretty. So what is everyone else doing for Valentine's Day? I'm just gonna go get sushi with my ex. Might as well just get back together at this point because, you know, I literally see him every day still. So it's kind of just like pointless not to get back together. But like relationships are so hard. Does anyone else like agree with me? Like, I don't know, like I feel as if like, what if something happens in the future, like say like he cheats on me or something in the future, like, or I cheat on him, which like will never happen because I'm not that bitch, but if that would happen in the future, like I'd be like, all this time wasted for nothing, you know what I mean? Okay, I totally skipped another pink shadow, but what the fuck ever at this point. But as I was saying about the relationship shit, like, does anyone else feel that way? Like, I've always wanted a relationship my whole life. Like, all I've ever wanted was a guy to like love and like cherish or whatever, like just have that one person that you can count on, like always talk to. Oh man, I'm taking Bori, that hot pink right there in the center, right there, from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. But that's all I've ever wanted in life was a boyfriend. That sounds pretty sad, but like growing up, all my friends had like relationships, and I was just the weird person, like the weird kid who didn't have any relationship. And it's like pretty sad. Like it makes you want to have everything. It makes you want to have what everyone else has. And that was like the cute like high school relationship. And after high school I finally got into a relationship, and like I don't know. Now I'm gonna cut my crease with like a little tiny ass brush. I need to get more brushes. Like I really need to get more brushes. And then It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, because that shit is not going bye bye no fucking where near my fucking under eye, because that shit is so cakey. So cakey. As I used heart-shaped tape, like bitch shut up. Anyways, I'm just taking this, I'm gonna cut my crease. Okay, so I feel like I messed up big time on this eye. Like, I literally hate doing cut creases. That's why I never fucking do them. But I thought just one time it's gonna turn out, because this eye turned out and this eye is turning out, not out. Bitch is about to have a heart motherfucking attack. Like seriously, I'm about to have one. And if all my shit don't stop falling off my fucking vanity, I'm gonna fucking tear a fucking bitch's nose off. I swear I'm not a bad person. I just get mad when things fall off my vanity. Do you not get that way? Anyone? No? Okay. Bitches watching this are probably like, she got problems, dude. But anyways, I'm taking a matte white pinky shadow and just setting that all in place. And it's gonna add to like the cuteness effect, I guess, and like the Valentine's Day effect, whatever. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna just start applying the little gems, whatever the fuck they're called. I'm using my old ass House of Lashes glue, and I'm gonna start on the inner part. Just put that a little bit there. And I'm just taking little tweezers with a little bow. Fine bitch, don't focus. And just putting the bow first, because on the other side the bow is first. Then I'm taking a pink pearl. And putting that right next to it. And then so on and so forth. So now I'm going to take the pink bow, pink pearl, pink bow, pink pearl until I get to the end. So I'll be right back when I'm done with that. Okay, so I'm all done. And I think they're looking pretty symmetrical. But you never know. I think it looks fine. Like, let me pick this up. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm literally orgasming. But like I was saying, that's so pretty. Like, holy shit. Okay, so for lashes, I'm using Icon Lashes. They're like a little Instagram company in the style Lolita. Just waiting for this bullshit to dry. I literally have off of work this whole week. Like, girl, I'm about to party. I'm about to fucking be up all night and be a bad bitch. That's what the fuck I'm gonna do. And someone asked me to cover a shift on Friday. I was like, kind of busy. She goes, with what? I was about to be like, bitch, I'm busy being a bad bitch. That's what I'm doing on Friday, you fucking dumbass hoe. I don't know what to cover your dumbass 4-hour shift. Call me back when it's like a 10-hour shift. Actually don't, because I will not cover it. Plopping these bitches on. Okay, lashes are on, so that's the completed eye look. I'm debating if I should do my face in this, but I probably won't. I'll probably come back in like a second and do my lip option for you guys. I'm thinking of doing like an orangey pink, or maybe like a typical like pinky, purpley nude. Typical at all, like you're dumb bitch. But like seriously, about the work thing, like who fucking asks you to cover a shift and then you say you're busy and then the bitch goes, with what? I'd be damned if I disrespect a bitch who I'm trying to get to cover my shifts. Real cute though, bitch. I'm back. I went from 0 to 1,000 million in just a matter of seconds. Anyways, I did my face off camera. I did my lips. I originally went in with Jeffree Star's Christmas Cookie, which is like a nude, mixed with Ofra. I think the collaboration with Manny MUA, like the nude one, the Aries, I think. Don't quote me. And then I put a little bit of bitch, Jouer. I think it's Jouer. Whatever. It's a lip cream, and it's like a really pale nude pink, and I mixed that with, I think I got the perfect color. Like I seriously think that's like the same color as the pink in my crease. But anyways, I could have just ended the video because I didn't even show you guys doing my lips, but whatever. I'm just gonna edit here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. If you don't have a boyfriend, if you don't have a girlfriend, if you don't have a significant other, who cares? It's just a day in the year. It's just a day in the year. I don't have a boyfriend, and I'm not crying, so you shouldn't cry either, because I'm an emotional ass bitch. Okay, everyone have a nice life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.